How to use Siemens washing machine. This video is going to show you how to start, stop, wash and dry using the Siemens washing machine. There is different versions of the Siemens washing machine, but this should cover basically everything that you're going to need to do on any variation. So first of all, you want to open the washing machine like so. Then you want to put in your washing into the drum there. Then you can either put a pod into the drum like so, or you can go to the top left hand corner of the drum once you've closed it. Above the top left hand corner there, this little section here which you can pull out. And then I recommend putting the washing powder in the left section. That's what I tend to do. There are different things you can do in the middle and the right section there. You can look those up if you want to, but most of the time just use the top left hand corner one if you're using the washing powder. Then you want to turn the dial around. I usually use rinse. Of course, you can use any of these other ones like delicates, etc. Whatever you're trying to do with it. The same thing will happen once you move that little black spot on the dial. That's what it will be. Then you want to click on the start and reload button there. Once you've clicked on that, that will start. That will lock the washing machine, so you won't be able to open it then. You have to press the buttons to turn it off to be able to open it from then. But once you've finished the wash, you'll hear it, of course, and then what will happen is that no matter where you are with your washing or drying, you actually don't want to go turn the dial to the off button because it will just lock. What you actually want to do is in the section here where you can see RPM and finish in, you want to press and hold both of them at the same time. Then that will unlock the drum there, then you'll be able to open it. There might be different versions of this for your specific washing machine, so I recommend looking up on ChatGPT or something like that, or your manual if that doesn't work for you. But you can go ahead once you've opened it, pulled the washing out, then you can press off, then your washing machine will be fully off. So that's mostly for the washing side, but for the drying side as well, once you've done that, what you want to do is once you've rinsed your clothes, then you want to go into either the intensive dry or the gentle dry. I prefer using the gentle dry, but it doesn't matter what you want to do. And then what you want to do for that is just click start again like usual, and the same ending sequence that I've done for the washing will be the same for the drying. But that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.